Okay, we're back at it. You can see we got the engine on the engine stand. It didn't actually fight us too bad this time. I'm just trying to get a list together what we're going to need. I'm going to take this chain off to start. This intake, those look like those are maybe 8 millimeters. Gotta gather some tools together. I take these coil packs off. We'll take the valve cover off.
8 millimeters?
Yeah, we gotta use all the 1/4" drive stuff. There's those plates I ordered by ICT. Got a little never sees on them. It's just a Harbor Freight engine stand. I want to say it was $50 with the coupon. Don't forget to use your coupons. Save yourself some money. Buy yourself a coffee or your favorite beverage. Put this back on here. Let's see what we got. We got 706 heads, in case anybody's wondering. So 5.3 out of a 2004 Avalanche. There's the oil pan if you want to see how low it is. I'll get a measuring tape and measure it out for you and show you. So we're going to take her apart, take the heads off, get set up, take the oil pan off. We're going to gap the rings while we got it. We're going to take it apart and do it right. So we had turbo, we don't have to mess around again. So that's where we're at.